Dyson says this is their most hygienic floor cleaner ever. But does the Clean Plus Wash Hygiene actually clean better than older Dyson systems? Or is it just a redesign with a fancy name? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into honest cleaning tech reviews, you're in the right place. Today, we're testing the Dyson Clean Plus Wash Hygiene to see if it really improves cleaning performance, or if it just focuses more on hygiene marketing than actual results. Dyson's big promise with this device is not just cleaning, but hygiene-first design. Key upgrades include filter-free waste system, no dirty internal airflow, separation of clean and dirty water inside the head, hot air drying dock for the roller after cleaning, microfiber roller designed for both wet and dry debris. In simple terms, instead of suction-based cleaning like a vacuum, this uses hydration plus agitation plus roller absorption. Everyday dirt and dust. On normal daily mess, dust, footprints, light spills, it performs really well. Floors look visibly cleaner after one pass, water distribution is consistent, leaves a fairly streak-free finish on tiles and hardwood. For quick daily cleaning, it feels very efficient. Sticky stains may need multiple passes. Heavier messes don't lift instantly. Edge cleaning is not perfect. Some reviews also mention that tougher stains like dried food can be a challenge. Translation: it's great for maintenance cleaning, not deep scrubbing disasters. Wet versus dry balance. One of its strengths is how it handles mixed messes. Wet spills get absorbed quickly, dry debris gets lifted by the roller, floors dry faster than traditional mop methods. But it's still not a full vacuum replacement.
This is where Dyson really pushes innovation. Dirty water stays inside the cleaning head. No internal pipes carrying waste, designed to prevent odor and bacteria buildup. Then, after cleaning, the dock uses hot air to dry the roller, helps reduce smell and moisture issues. So, real-world benefit? Less maintenance compared to older wet cleaners, but not completely mess-free. Here's where opinions get mixed. Some users love the convenience and cleaning feel. Others mention leaks, streaks, and small tank capacity issues. A few say it struggles with heavy messes compared to competitors. So, while it looks advanced, it's not perfect in daily real-world chaos. Pros: very hygienic waste system, less smell and buildup. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, good for daily light cleaning. Fast-drying floors. Stylish Dyson design. Cons: not ideal for heavy or sticky messes. Small tanks require frequent refills. Can leave streaks on some surfaces. Premium price for limited deep cleaning power. So, does the Dyson Clean and Wash Hygiene clean better than before? Yes, but only for everyday cleaning. It improves hygiene, usability, and convenience compared to older wet cleaners. But when it comes to deep cleaning power, it doesn't fully replace traditional vacuum plus mop systems. So, what do you think? Does this kind of hygiene-first cleaning system make sense for your home? Or do you prefer stronger suction-based cleaners? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next honest review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.